treetops ring out, and the calls of drumming drift on the air of summer's a-coming. For all on high is green, for greater or for lesser, and the pitch in the forks is attuned by its assessor. Sounds that impound in parts roughly hewn are born of necessity, not affixed by tune. For they that can be spotted or else seldom seen, they are in animation a fine-tuned sewing machine. But the machinations of men, embodied in machine or in pen, rarely hold a candle to the kingdom of them that perch in the branches and tap of the green, those that are possessed of a fine-tuned sewing machine.
Some rhubarb.
Oh yeah, lovely. Have you just...
From your garden.
Thanks.
Brew.
Oh yeah, lovely. Shall I...
2 sugars.
Have you seen Out of Dan lately?
No, not since he finished at Aldi. Is he...
Dressing up funny again.
I wouldn't be casting aspersions on other people's appearances. You look like both are out of The Hobbit. Will you go off and do your homework? We're trying to have a discussion here.
It's worse than last time. This come through the door the other day.
He's abandoned reality to float freely on a sea of lunacy.
One of us needs to say something. think the performance went?
Pretty good. Went alright, I thought. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's just, you know, we are worried about you.
Why?
Well, look at you.
What?
Well, you're dressed as a woodpecker, you know.
Yeah.
You're a 41-year-old man dressed as a woodpecker.
I'm not dressed as a woodpecker, I am a pecker.
You're not a woodpecker. We know you're not. We know you're not sleeping on the island.
I am sleeping on the island.
You've been stopping at your mum's.
I've not. Who's told you that?
Big Keith told me he's seen you.
Well, I've not. I've been living on that island, living on my island.
Dan, it's not right. Just, you want to have a word with yourself.
I'm fine.
You're not.
I know. I'm
You're not
fine.
a woodpecker.
I am a pecker.
Get yourself in.
Alright, Kenneth.
Yeah, I have. Got something for you. Sit yourself down.
Oh yeah, them last ones you got me were good, but they wore out a bit quick.
Don't worry, these are the real McCoy. Gone from a man that I knew down in Milton Keynes. Name is Burza Harris. Used to run a bistro or something along those lines. But gets these flown in from Tanzania. They're produced and touched by the human hand.
How does he do that?
Crabs. Go on, do you want to go get going one?
Oh no, I'm alright.
Try one.
Oh, well, maybe just one quick one.
Aye. See you get on with them. There's a lad from Newport Pagnell brings them up on a push bike. Yeah. The real deal, like. You might find them better than the last lot.
Yeah, really good actually. Good action.
Yeah, they're pretty good, huh?
Yeah, I'll give you some money for these.
Aye.
Yeah. Most of it's there.
Alright. Not like last time, but... Okay, I mean, when can you get the rest for me by?
I can probably have it by Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah? You get it by to me by Tuesday, we can stay good pals, eh? But you know, if you didn't, you'd be getting this up your Southern Upland way.
All right, Dan. Do you want to come?
Can I have that?
Yeah, sure. Dan, are you all right? Half came round earlier. I think he's worried about you.
Harv wants to mind his own bloody business. He's the one whacked out his face on micro machines.
I thought we were past that. He's not in over his head, is he? No. Daniel. No. Not for you. No. Daniel. Daniel. Oh. Jesus Christ, Daniel! Jesus! Jesus Christ, Daniel!
Bloody hell, Dan, you made me...
What you got there? What have you got there? Is that from Kenneth? Is that from Kenneth?
Mrs. Crabtree?
Oh, hello, love. I'm just having a clear out.
Hello, Mrs. Crabtree. It's Dave. I'm a friend of Dan.
Slender Man?
No, it's Dave. I'm a friend of Daniel's, your son. I'm sorry to interrupt you while you're busy, but are you aware he's dressing up as a woodpecker?
Who is?
Daniel, your son.
Greater or lesser?
I'm sorry?
Greater or lesser spotted?
Oh, well, I mean, that's not really greater, I think. But I suppose that's not really why I want to...
Well, he's got a degree, you know.
Oh, I'm not questioning that, Mrs. Crabtree. Mrs. Crabtree?
What?
Well, don't you think you should do something?
He can speak Eskimo, you know.
Well, I'm not questioning that, Mrs. Crabtree.
He did a course online. He's mostly grunting and gargling, but if push comes to shove, he could communicate with the chief elder of the Nuntuck. He's very clever.
I mean, okay, Mrs. Crabtree, I'm sorry to have bothered you. How's it going?
Oh, well, he's got a collection of sieves. Well, colanders, tea strainers, that sort of thing. It was once owned by a famous lady, you know, and he once bit a fox's nose off in Kettering when he was getting one of the tea strainers because it was for Kayla Stratford to have him make her own tea.
Fuck this.
You are a pecker. 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 Be a pecker.
Daniel, I'm going to work. I've left you 20 quid for your steak bakes. It's in your bum bag.
Cheers, Mum.
Yeah, milky leaf fatty.
What, are you supposed to be some kind of chaffage or something, you mad wee? What's your problem? Oh, fuck. No, it's all right. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus.
amazing. That was brilliant. You are a pecker. Oh, you're a pecker. Wow, that's incredible. Look at his beak.
Treetops ring out and the calls of drumming drift on the air of summers that are coming. For all on high is green, for greater or for lesser, and the pitch in the forks is attuned by its assessor. Sounds that in parts roughly hewn, are born of necessity, not affixed by tune, for they can be spotted or else seldom seen. They are in animation, a fine-tuned sewing machine. But the machinations of men, embodied in machine or in pen, rarely hold a candle to the kingdom's end. The perch in the branches and tap of the green, those that are in possession of a fine-tuned sewing machine.